World Health Day, 7th April 2021. How to building a fair and healthier world. There are four bases to build fair and healthier world. First, work together. Second, collect reliable data. 3, tackle inequalities. 4, act beyond borders. Detail going on. First, work together. Work hand in hand with affected communities and individuals to address the root causes of inequities and to implement solutions within and beyond the health sector to address them. The impact will be greatest when governments and communities work together in a coordinated approach. Second, collect reliable data. Ensure collection and use of timely and reliable health data disaggregated by gender, age, income, education, migratory status, disability, geographic location and other characteristics relevant to the national context. Only then is it possible to access inequities across population, subgroups and take action that have impact. Three, tackle inequalities. Adopt a whole of government approach to tackling the root causes of inequities and increase investment in primary health care. This is key to meeting today's challenges of ensuring health for all and to building the resilience of tomorrow. 4, act beyond borders. Act beyond national borders. For example, only when we can protect, test and treat the whole global population can we end the COVID-19 pandemic. As well as assuring an equitable supply of vaccines, test and treatment. We must strengthen national and international mechanisms and build community trust and participation into their delivery and uptake to ensure access for all globally. Thank you.